Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghu here. In this class, we'll discuss about set theory basics. So, this is very simple class to understand. Just we will discuss about the definitions and some of the terminology which we are going to use in our next classes. So, coming to today's class, set, what we call it as a set, a collection of well-defined objects is called a set. A collection of well-defined objects is called a set. With examples, you are going to understand it better. Let's take an example, the set of vowels of the alphabet. It's well-defined, that set of vowels of the alphabet. We call it as a set. Similarly, one more example, the set of all positive integers. We call it as a set. The set of people living on this planet. All the people that are living on this planet, we call it as a set. So these are some of the examples and some of the terminology which we are going to use here. A set is a collection of well-defined objects. Objects in the set is called members or elements. Each object we call it as an element, or we call it as a member of the set. Now next one is set is represented using capital letters, means uppercase letters. Set A should be mentioned using a capital A. Set is mentioned using capital uppercase letters. Similarly, lowercase is used to mention, to denote the elements that are present in the set. We denote using lowercase letters. Now coming to the set defined in two ways. We can define set in two ways. The first way is tabular form. So take a set A. You have to mention it in using capital A, equal to this set contains, the elements in the set contains using this can be mentioned using flower brackets. Inside the brackets we have to mention the elements in the set. This set contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the elements that present in the set, and each element is separated using comma. So this is how we mention the elements that present in the set. This type of representation we call it as tabular form of set. Similarly, we use one more way, set builder form. In the set builder form we go like this: set A equal to X. It's small because it is showing the elements in the set. Elements in the set is mentioned using a lowercase. That's why small x, so that x is an even integer. You can take any even integer that belongs to this set. That is what the meaning of this set. This is second way to represent the set. Now coming to some standard symbols which we are going to use in this entire discrete mathematics. So we are going to use the standard symbols. N means the set of all natural numbers. That is given as capital N equal to set of all natural numbers starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, so on up to infinite, positive infinite. So wherever if you see N means it's set of natural numbers. Z means the set of all integers. So Z is equal to minus infinite, minus 2, so minus infinite, so on up to minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, so on up to infinite. This is what we call it as Z. Z means set of integers. Z plus means the set of all positive integers. We have to take only positive integers in Z plus. Z star means the set of all non-zero integers. Means minus infinite, so on up to minus 2, minus 1, except 0, remaining all positive integers up to positive infinite. This is what Z star means. Now the next one is E. The set of all even integers is considered as E. Similarly, Q. The set of all rational numbers, we call it as Q. Rational numbers means they are in the form of P by Q. Q should not be equal to 0, and P and Q belongs to Z. Z means integers. You take any integer values except 0. Q should not be 0. This is how we mention the rational numbers. Q star means the set of all non-zero rational numbers. All rational numbers except 0. That is what we call it as Q star. Q plus means the set of all positive rational numbers. Similarly, R is used, the set of all real numbers are mentioned using a capital R. So we are not again writing, you know, hoping that you already know what real numbers means and all those things. That's why we are not writing the set again. R star means the set of all non-zero real numbers. R plus means the set of all positive real numbers. Similarly, last C means the set of all complex numbers. C star means the set of all non-zero complex numbers. So these are the basic terminology which we are going to use in this discrete mathematics. Hope you understand these examples. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.